I love burgers. Pretty much any kind of restaurant I go to, more often than not, I'm going to order a burger. Today we are going to be making a super flat burger that we call smash burgers. I would like to make a smash burger. Smash burger. So what do we need to make a smash burger? We need hamburger. This here is about a pound. So we're gonna make that into 4 patties. We're gonna need an onion that we're gonna have to cut up. There's a little preliminary work to making our smash burgers. One of the things is chopping up an onion, putting in a little butter, and caramelizing these like in a saucepan or some kind of a pan over the stove. What do we got here? We got our old friend, fully cooked bacon. So we're just gonna heat these up and cut them up into tiny pieces. Bacon's been fried and cut up. I'm gonna drop it in here. Gonna add some of this big game rub. A little salt and pepper. Last but not least, Worcestershire sauce. And I'm gonna crunch it together. The balls of hamburger, which will soon be flattened into patties, are all ready. Now I will go out and start the grill. I have a cast iron griddle or a cast iron pan type thing. I'll heat up that grill to between 350 and 400 degrees with that cast iron thing in there. I want that surface to be super hot. Then we'll put these burgers on there. Des and Troy, because when you put them together, they smash burgers. So you need 2 pretty heavy duty flatteners, if you will. It's ideal if one of them doesn't have any like holes in it. So what I have developed is using some aluminum foil and a tip from Mr. Miyagi. We can foil the spatula, Brendan-san, and it works good. You only have to do it for one of them, and they're just like that. And then I'll be able to. This is that cast iron thing I was telling y'all about. So it is very hot. You can hear it. Wow! As soon as you put those on there, and then you gotta smash it down as flat as you can possibly get it. Going to get a nice crust on the outside of that burger. Nice and smashed. Close the grill. Let it set for just a couple of minutes. So like I was saying, this is on the old cast iron griddle type thing. But if you have one of those flat top, outdoor flat top grills, like my good friend and grill master Kurt has, those would work phenomenal as well. So Kurt, if you're watching, I'm hoping you give this a try and let me know how these smash burgers turn out with your setup. And these look like they are ready to be flipped over. So I'm gonna flip it over. Yeah, see that kind of crust on there and that fried bacon that's inside there. I'm not gonna crush it too much right there on this reverse side. That'll get too much of the juice out. Close it up for a few more minutes. All right, let's open it up again. Looks pretty tasty. Flip it over. All right, and on this one here, I'm gonna put a piece of cheese just right here. On this burger here, I'm gonna put some onions there. And some cheese right on the top. Close it up for just a little bit longer. OMG. Those look pretty tasty. Take these off. Especially this one with the onions. Now I'll start those other 2 remaining burgers. And then it's dinner time. My gosh. This is a good looking smash burger. When you're done, you can put whatever you want on it. I like to go some pickles, some jalapenos, a little ketchup and yellow mustard. And when you're done, you will have a burger that should be illegal in the lower 48 states and probably the other ones as well. If you make this and it's not the best burger you ever had, then clearly you didn't make it as good as me, because they are delish. Give it a try. Sound off in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Enjoy our smash burgers. And we'll catch you on the next video.